Barcelona. It's one of my favourite places to have ever visited. And so I guess it's fate that I decided to bring along my favourite ever tint. This is Sweet Violet. And out of all of the tints that I've tested, Sweet Violet is my favourite for a reason. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you exactly why that is. I'm also, for the first time, going to be bringing you along with me to Barcelona, but also letting you see through my eyes, letting you see through my Sweet Violet glasses and experiencing how it affects the world around you. And finally, we're going to be reaching our destination, Andorra, where I'm going to be delivering some incredible, one-of-a-kind custom Cartiers. So hi, I'm Robert, Style and Vision Consultant at the Spectacle Factory, and it's my job to pair you with your perfect pair of glasses. But today, I'm actually not talking about either glasses nor sunglasses. You see, this kind of tint, well, it's literally a 50% tint. It's neither one or the other. I firmly believe that life is about experiencing the world. And that's why I love to bring you out with me to places like Barcelona, so that you can experience them too. But what if you could see them even better? That is what Sweet Violet does. It's the most relaxing, calming, but also enhancing tint that I have ever tried. Through a Sweet Violet lens, things just seem newer, they seem fresher, they seem still very natural. So unlike a blue lens or an orange lens, or most lens colours actually, Sweet Violet doesn't really change your colour perception. So you're still seeing things in a natural way. And at the same time, the contrast is enhanced in every view that you experience. There hasn't been a single site on this trip that I have seen that hasn't been better because of this tint. And not just that, due to the growth of our channel and the incredible support from you guys, who are now ordering eyewear from us from more than 30 countries across the globe, I'm kept incredibly busy. And that means that I needed a break. So being able to deliver a pair of custom glasses to a client in Andorra, a place that I've always wanted to visit, was a perfect excuse to get away. And when I need to get away, when I need to relax, when I need to escape, a tint like this just takes you out of the everyday experience. It changes your mindset, it changes your mood, and for me, it changes my perspective. Now, as I mentioned, these are not full sunglasses, so there have been occasions as I'm walking directly into the sun, or kind of as I am now, facing towards the sun, where they don't fully block the rays. They almost do, and I'm not like super uncomfortable as I would be if I wasn't wearing them, but they're not quite so protective as a full sunglass lens. But that's the beauty as well of Zeiss lenses, because even if these were fully clear, they would have 100% UV protection. So I don't need to worry about any harm being done to my eyes. There's just a little bit bright, a little bit uncomfortable walking towards the sun. But aside from that, in every other situation that I've experienced, these have been perfect. Even in low light situations, I wore these as I flew in last night, and I took the metro from the airport, and then it was about a 30-minute walk to my hotel. Wore these the entire time. So these are suitable for low light conditions as well, although legally you couldn't drive at night with them. And I don't think you would want to have a pair of glasses literally every day with this kind of tint. There's going to be some social situations where that might make you feel uncomfortable. So that's why I say these are neither glasses nor sunglasses, but they're a pair that you absolutely should own. And if I was going to recommend a tint to most people, it would be this one. And on that note, let's head to Andorra. So I thought Barcelona was special, and it was. Andorra is special in its own unique way, and this is a place unlike any other. Today's glasses of choice have been my adaptive sun lenses, green, polarized with silver flash mirror. And in the really harsh reflected sunlight that you get from the snowy mountains here in Andorra, they were perfect. But even in nighttime situations, as the light has diminished and eventually gone away, I can still see just fine, and that's the beauty of adaptive sun. But the purpose of being here in Andorra, of course, was to deliver those amazing, incredible custom Cartiers, which are now Adrian's unique driving glasses. Adrian is a lover of driving, and therefore having something as special as that is going to make every journey a special occasion. It might seem extravagant to have a pair of Santos de Cartier aviators with leather detailing and wooden temples as your daily driving glasses. But if you're going to wear them hours a day, every day, for the next 5 years plus, why not? And the thing is that Cartier glasses, especially the wood pieces, are not just about style, they are also about comfort. And the wood temples make the frames glide onto the face very easily and feel very snug and secure when they are on. But of course, the thing that made them truly special was the unique tint that we made for Adrian. We've gone with the Sunset Violet, which is perfect for driving in the conditions that he's exposed to every day, as a custom level of tint. So it's a little bit darker than the normal one, a little bit darker than the one that I have in my driving sunglasses. And that's intentional because the conditions that he's exposed to are very different to mine over in the UK. But then of course they also have the sapphire flash coating, which is going to provide even more protection from direct sunlight. So it works by reflecting that light away from his eyes. And when we test drove the glasses today in the mountains, I think Adrian was lost for words. I think they exceeded his expectations. That for me made the whole trip worthwhile, because that for me is what my job is all about, pairing you with your perfect pair of glasses. I think we've done that again. And on that note, I think it's time to end the video. So thank you for joining me on this trip to Barcelona and now Andorra. I hope you've enjoyed the views. If you have, make sure to give us a like and subscribe to the channel for more of the best eyewear content on the internet. Who else is bringing you to places like this and talking about amazing custom eyewear to match? And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks guys, bye-bye. Oh, and how could I forget Adrian's larger-than-life neighbour, Maya, an awesome character who rocked a pair of vintage Ray-Bans, 40 years old. And of course he finished his pair with a custom tint. Something told me that Maya's been wearing custom tints long before I started talking about them, and therefore I had to give him a shout out on the channel. So Maya, you're a pretty cool guy. And Andorra, you're a pretty cool place. That too many